Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be making a wreath that is a silhouette of a cat and a trees and some bats and stuff. It's gonna be a Halloween decoration and it's gonna light up, and I think it's gonna turn out really cool. So if you want to see how this turns out, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so that was it. That was me making this Halloween decoration that lights up, has cats and bats and trees and stuff. I don't know what to call it, but I think it turned out pretty cool. It's a pretty cool Halloween decoration. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. That would mean a lot to me. And comment down below what you think I should make next, or maybe comment saying which color you think I should have used instead of green. Could have used literally any color of the rainbow on this, but I thought green was pretty, so. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next video. Alright, bye!